Here we go again inside a Texas courtroom. And this time we've got a case that hits a little too close to home. The man standing before the judge is Christopher Wilkins, charged with theft, accused of stealing none other than his own father's guitar. Yes, you heard that right. Dad's prized bass guitar. The judge begins with the usual rights, staying silent, attorney representation, all the basics. But you can already sense something tense simmering beneath the surface. Family theft cases like this often get emotional because the betrayal runs deeper than just the crime itself. At 018 to 040, the officer reads the complaint and mentions the neighbor's security footage. As the report is read, the story unfolds. Surveillance footage, a missing guitar, and a son allegedly caught in the act. It's heartbreaking, but what makes it worse is that it's all playing out in open court with no hiding from the truth.
You're Christopher Wilkins.
Yes, sir.
Wilkins, you're charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
On May 20th, 2024, officers were dispatched to the address of defendant's stepfather. The complainant was stated he confronted his son about missing items. The complainant was told the defendant to get ready for rehab. The complainant was noticed his jazz bass guitar was missing and observed his neighbor's cameras, which showed his son to leave the house. The total value of that guitar was $480. That was all I have on this one, Your Honor.
Do we know he did it?
Your Honor, it stated that there was.
So Dad is saying there are several items missing from the house.
Yes, Your Honor, including a guitar.
A bass guitar.
Bass guitar.
Anything else?
Yes.
Does Dad call the cops on his own son?
Oh, Your Honor, it was
Stop.
my fault.
Stop. Don't
Fault.
say a word. Are you losing? So why talk?
I'm not sure how the police were contacted here, Your Honor. It just says that they met and spoke with the complaining witness.
Another report written like it's just going through a drive-through.
So, Your Honor, the only thing I would say is, she's facing the vents. The defendant had initially declined any of the allegations, but later told his mother that one of the items that was stolen, which was a bicycle, was later stolen from the defendant when he left it at his store.
But here he's charged with a bass guitar. What the?
Okay, Your Honor.
Have a pet lizard named George. Really? Mr. Wilkins, I'm going to find that there's no probable cause to go forward in your case. This life is a very short life. And when you start racking up convictions, it really hoses you. It's really hard enough as it is as a black man in today's society. And when you start racking up convictions, especially theft convictions where you branded a thief, do you think it helps? No, it doesn't. Get into school, get some knowledge, get a degree, find something to do, and make a lot of money. That's what life's about. Not ending up in court with a theft charge. You know what I mean? If you have a drug problem, address it before it becomes a real issue and it takes a hold and grabs you by the boo-boo. You know what I mean? Plenty of people in there. We don't need any more. Please.
He reminds Christopher that life is already hard enough, especially as a black man, and that each conviction, each poor decision makes that uphill battle even steeper. He doesn't scold, he educates, he doesn't humiliate, he motivates. It's raw, it's real, and it's one of those moments that reminds us why judges sometimes sound more like mentors than magistrates. He pushes Christopher to get educated, get focused, and take control before bad habits destroy his future. That's a message anyone can take to heart. If you found this moment as powerful as we did, drop your thoughts below. Do you think the judge was too soft? Or was this exactly the kind of wake-up call Christopher needed? Comment your thoughts below, and don't forget, like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear this message, and subscribe to Courtroom Authority for more powerful, real-life courtroom moments.